Delivery methods and design for modular construction. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we discover the various delivery methods and design considerations when choosing modular design.
The last area I want to talk about is delivery methods and how you design and work toward modular construction. And a big driver or big utilizer of modular construction is what we call design build method. Now, I've got a definition here, and I want to go ahead and read it for you. So read along with me. The owner manages only one contract with a single point of responsibility. The designer and contractor work together from the beginning as a team, providing unified project recommendations to fit the owner's schedule and budget. Any changes are addressed by the entire team, leading to collaborative problem solving and innovation, not to excuses or blame shifting. While single source contracting is a fundamental difference between design build and the old ways, equally important is the culture of collaboration inherent in design build. Design build is an interesting concept, and we're seeing more and more use of design build on projects. And it's a concept that the owner and the architect and the contractor are all working as a team as a project is being developed. And the general contractors typically have representatives from the major trades working with him. So all the stakeholders in the building are working at one time as the building is being developed, provide input and guidance to the design team. So they're getting recommendations in real teams on the best approaches, the best products, the best ways to do it, to provide material on the project. This has been very, very instrumental in growing modular construction, because since you've got the general contractor working with the architect and owner, and he's got his various trades supporting him, it's very easy for them, instead of thinking about the building envelope as individual silos of providers coming, thinking of grouping providers together in advance. And instead of having them working individually, having them work together to build a module so that they're all providing their portion of the building as a whole at one time. Now, the benefits of this are huge when you think about lower unit cost. Instead of having individual people working, or individual trades one by one on the building at the job site, they're working together in collaboration before. And so they're working to build a unit. So that's really controlling the unit cost. There's less growth in cost over time because changes are being anticipated and analyzed in real time as the changes are being suggested. It's not sudden changes and adds because we ran into a mistake in the field. No, these are all determined up front. That again leads to improved construction schedule, because with modular construction, while the concrete and the slabs are being poured, your building envelopes being built at the same time, off-site in a shop. So as soon as the structure of the building is ready, the building envelope is being brought out and set in modules. So that really cuts down on the construction schedule. Reduced schedule growth, again, you're doing things at the same time, overlapping each other, so there's minimal risk of schedule growth. Faster delivery speed, again, we're bringing entire sections of the building envelope at one time to the job site. This is a study that was done by McKinsey Company, pointing out the impact on profit margins for the various stakeholders in a project when you're using modular construction. So if you look across here, you can see all these different stakeholders in the project all showed higher benefits as far as profit margins by going with a modular process, by building modules in advance and hanging them on the building envelope instead of going component by component by component. So there are huge benefits to modular construction. Again, I started the presentation talking about the benefits for the labor saving, and increased safety, improved work conditions, improved schedule. Those are a lot of the benefits. And you can see here in this study by McKinsey and Company, those benefits yielded improved profit margins. So I'll wrap up with just a couple more examples here. Very nice project in Honolulu, Hawaii, using a curtain wall system. And you can see here the modules included operable vents, windows, exhaust vents, vision glass, and spandrel. Nice looking project, all built off-site in modules raised one by one, stacked in place. Here's a project in Salt Lake City. Again, a gorgeous building, good looking building. It was a custom unitized curtain wall system, but it was all built off-site, modules raised and installed one by one. Project schedule was great. The budget was great. Beautiful building. Turned out very, very nice example of modular construction. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.